Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know this is a very different view from my regular YouTube videos, but I did get some comments that you guys wanted to see more on my planner, and although I'm not gonna go really like in detail with a lot of the things that I do with my planner, I just wanted to show you guys kind of like what I do and what is it that attracted me to planning. So before anything else, I want to say that all my favorite channels, like planning wise and organization stationery kind of videos, will be linked down below if you guys want to go check it out. And these are women that inspired me to start planning. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is my planner, and it is by the brand The Happy Planner. So mine has all these discs. It originally came with hot pink ones. I just didn't like those much with this one, so I ordered some gold ones, but the silver came in first. So I said I gotta film this video, so they're gonna be silver. So as you open the planner, it says obviously my name. I put these stickers with some, they're just like regular stickers that they would sell at a stationery place. So yeah, I just put my name, glittery. And overview, they just give you like the months for 2018 and 2019. And my most favorite page ever is this one from August, because it says keep it together. I feel like August is the back to school kind of chaos scenario, so keep it together sounds pretty accurate. And a little backstory on how I began planning and how I got motivated to start planning is that, if you don't know and are new to my channel, I do have three kids. So two of them already go to school, and it's pretty hectic to keep up with schedules and things like of that sort. So a planner was just the best thing for me, so that I can remember snack days, PTC meetings, practices, or things that they needed to do at school. So as you open the first month, this is a kind of like an overview of what my month looks like. Bear with me with the filming. I've never done this before, so yeah, this is how my August month looks so far. And I do have tips on how I would fix things like that I've already wrote in, just in case that didn't happen. There's things that you could do to kind of fix the writing on any of the days. But if you guys would want something like that, just let me know down below, and I can show you guys more or less what I do. And the first week of August, I really didn't do anything because I didn't own my planner then. I got my planner like around August the 7th. So August the 8th, I began planning. But as you can see, I didn't really know much of what I wanted to do with it. So my style was here pretty basic. I just kind of stuck with like little figurines. Now my first official spread is the next like following week, and this is what my first spread looks like. I know to many people it can be way too overwhelming, way too decorated, but to me it's perfect. I really love and enjoy all these colorful things and reminders that I have on here. So I am very happy with my planner. Now, everybody has different styles of planning, and you don't have to do all these layouts like I did. As you can tell, in the first week, the planner is pretty basic when you receive it, and I transformed it into this because this is what works for me. This is what I like. But it doesn't mean that you have to do exactly what I did. Everybody has different styles and different kinds of, you know, situations or appointments or things that they have to do. Now, as you can see, I go with themes every week depending on what is important throughout that week. So in the first week, I did go colorful because I wanted to represent all the colors from back to school. The second week I went with a navy blue and a gold and a little bit of hints of black here and there. Because this week my son is gonna have jean day, so I decided to go with navy blue. This week I went with pinks, golds, and whites and blacks because it's gonna be my daughter's birthday, so I decided to keep it really girly. And then we have the September entrance, kind of same scenario from August. Now, what do I recommend for decorating planners? I first began with two things. The first thing being the sticker books. These are from Mambi, and you can get these at Hobby Lobby, Michael's. I think now Walmart carries them, but I got mine at Michael's. They actually had a sale on all the planning stuff from My Happy Planner, and I got these buy one and get the other one half off. So as you could tell, they have pretty much everything you would need. I don't recommend to go crazy with the planning books just because there is a lot of stuff to work with, and you can color coordinate or do any type of things that you would pretty much want with just two books if you choose wisely. So another thing I would recommend is my little unicorn bag, which I store my stamps. This is another cool way to decorate your planner. These have different shapes and colors so that you can incorporate them into your coloring or decorating of your planner actually. And another thing would be washi tape. This is like really the most OG kind of decorating thing on everybody's planner. It can be a little overwhelming at first to get like the straight lines and everything, but when you get the hang of it, it becomes really easy. And if you search on your local Michael's, they usually have these 3 for $1, so it's pretty much the best budget for your dollar. So, and another option would be colorful pens. So I got these also at Michael's. They're felt tip pens. They're so nice. They don't bleed or anything, and they don't pass through the pages. So I love these. And I think these were only $4.99. And my husband got me these since he's like seen me with my planner and stuff. He went to the store recently and he got these for me. And these are by Papermate, and these are the Papermate Flare. So these are pretty much the same thing, you know, just in a fancier packaging. So this is pretty much like what I would suggest for you guys to do. I kind of, like I said, color coordinate my weeks by things that I'm going to be doing that week or by some special event that's going on that week, just so that everything has like a little pattern. You don't have to do that. That's every individual's kind of way of planning. Everybody's different, by the way. And don't worry if your first spread is off or you don't end up liking it like weeks after. It happens to everyone. And I would highly suggest that you guys go and follow the Instagram accounts that I'm going to leave down below. These are like my favorite planning girls there, but the whole planning community on Instagram is so nice. I've met so many amazing people and girls, and they're just talented in planning and stationery that they inspire you all the time. So definitely check them out. My favorite and my actually one of the first channels that I started with the planning stuff is Kelova Plan. I will link her channel down below also, so you guys can go subscribe to her channel and check her out. Her videos are awesome, and she shows a lot of ways to plan and in different planners also, not only like the happy planners. So just in case you can't afford a happy planner, don't be sad. I know there's a lot of other versions of the happy planner. Just today I went to Walmart and I saw that they carry a 365 planner, and it's kind of like the same thing as the happy planner. It just doesn't have the heart on the rings. If you can tell, this has like a little heart, but I mean, if you're planning on a budget and you want to start with something not so expensive, something a little bit more affordable, I would highly suggest that 365 brand from Walmart. As of today, this is everything. I hope you guys don't mind that I incorporated this video into my video. Getting some comments on my Instagram, my planning Instagram, which I'll also leave down below. I have getting some comments about creating a YouTube planning channel. I don't know if I'm quite there just yet, but let me know if you guys would be interested and if you guys would subscribe. And I hope you guys have a rest of your day, a great rest of your day, wherever you are, whatever time it is. If you're watching and it's morning, good morning to you, good night, wherever in the world that you are. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video, and yeah, bye.